My name is Carmen Menza, and the title of the exhibition is Translating Light. The study of light is just endless, and it affects everybody in such unique ways to lift their spirits. It's just so engaging, for me at least, as an artist, to be able to create work with light. Especially when I do installation work, I really rely upon the architecture that's already in the place, and I bring in my materials and create my work around the space that's already there. When I did the first Aurora Festival in the Dallas Arts District, that my background in television and film could really translate into an art environment also. So I created a little 10-minute film called Dream Big, and it featured my then 5-year-old son, and we projected it onto the west wall of the Dallas Performing Arts Center in downtown Dallas. Another piece that I did in 2018 was a piece called Staring at the Sun, and my partner Matt Brooks created all the interactivity, and it was for the Dallas Symphony Orchestra as part of Array, which was a festival that they had down in Deep Ellum with about 12 different interactive artists. So we got to do this really large kaleidoscopic sculpture that was on a big 14-foot wall. So there was a Kinect camera hooked up so that when a person stood in front of it, it would latch onto the person, and then they could control the animation with their hand the way it was programmed. So that was a really fun piece. I guess I'm going to continue working in the mediums that I'm currently doing, glass and acrylic and light-based work. I'd like to incorporate animation in my actual light boxes. And I'd like to really move towards doing some larger scale work that are more architecturally based, maybe outside sculptural pieces that are glass and metal. And if you want to connect with me on social media, my website is carmenmenza.com, and my Instagram is @CarmenMenzaArt. Once again, my name is Carmen Menza, and the title of the exhibition is Translating Light. It's at the Mesquite Art Center now through June 25th, and I would love to meet you. Come out and meet me for the opening reception on May 5th.